Hey everyone. So I'm working on an 8x16. I'm going to do an intermingling flip cup using up paints off the wall. Trying to get down to colors that we use all the time. So we're using up colors that have been sitting here for almost 2 years. So, Soho Terra Vert, which is also Viridian. And we're using Soho Cad Yellow Green, Lucas Mint, some Interference Green from Golden, Lucas Gold Bronze, and of course our Praj Posse Snow White Iridescent Pearl. And I do have more of that in case I run out. And we're going to use, probably could get away with 3. I'm not going to add silicone to those because I don't want a ton of itty bitty teeny weeny cells, which I'm probably going to get from shaking those. They've been sitting for a while. So let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to start with the Snow White Iridescent Pearl. Just going to use this right up. Get it off the wall. Because I already have another one. And let's go right to the Soho Cad Yellow. Ooh, I should overship that. Can't handle the mess, guys, sorry. Gotta have my painting area clean. Okay. Let's go with the Terra Vert. Got worried there for a second. And then I want to put the gold on here. This Lucas Gold Bronze is really pretty. I thought I had another one open. There it is. I always mix an extra for colors that we use all the time. I just love this color. So rich. Alright, and then we'll do the Interference Green from Golden. That will show up white, but against this gold and against that dark green, we should get some pretty colors. Do the Mint. I want to go back to the Terra Vert. I'm going to call it Viridian because that's what it looks like. I'm going to go back with some Snow White. This is pearly. And I think I'm going to finish off. And let's do some more of this. Here's where I get in trouble. Because I just keep adding more and more color. A little gold. I used to be able to pick like 18 different colors and throw it on a canvas and have it work. But because I don't buy those colors anymore, I haven't been able to do that anymore. I mean, I have 160 colors here in front of me, but I sure as heck don't want to sit here and pick out colors like that. Okay, these are going to be quick flips too. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so when I talk about intermingling cups, is when I'm going to move them around like there's a ball under them. Like I'm a magician or something. That's hilarious. I'm just waiting for that color to come down just a smidge. Alright, so I'm going to transfer this to this while I'm letting some, color out. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. Back around. That's gorgeous. I have a lot of color on this end. No, don't go that way. Okay. That's okay, we can move it around. So I'm not even sure if they're all the same consistency at this point, but we have a ton of paint on here, so I got lots of room to play. Paint won't go bad if you don't put water in it, and I do not use water, so I don't have to worry about that. I only use pouring medium and Floetrol, so I love that cad yellow there. I didn't think I was going to like that in there. It's not. I'm thinking that's the golden interference, so I don't want to lose all that. I just want to take that corner off. There we go. I still have a lot of paint on there, but I think we'll be okay. I like to check the depth, and I'm a very hard tilter. I'm not like Ellen at all. I go fast. He'll go in the house to get a drink and come back, and he's like, "You're done already?" It's like, yes, I don't waste any time. You can't. I just don't overthink it when I pour. I just get in there and do it. These bubbles. I shook. Probably have to torch it a couple more times before I move it as they come up. There's one stubborn bubble right there. There he goes. So I like this. It's very organic. You wipe the edges off, I'll bring it up and show you up close. Alright. The camera really washes it out, but it's very bright. Very, very bright. So, that's it for that one, guys. One and done. So, thanks so much for watching. Check out all those links below. Shop with me on Amazon and Etsy. We have merchandise also in Teespring if you want to get Garage Posse t-shirt or tank top or hoodie. All that stuff is below in the description. If you're interested in getting our paints, we still do carry the Snow White Iridescent Pearl. That's one I did not delete. And I should say discontinue. But I do have 29 colors. I may have more than that now. I haven't counted. But I can send you a PDF file that shows you all the colors, pricing, etc. Just send me an email to Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com. And also, if you're in our group, the Garage Posse with Christina Welch on Facebook, all the information for ordering paints is in there as well. And if you're interested in just getting the jars and mixing them yourself, I have those in my Etsy shop. So that link is below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.